We've all heard about the flat Earth theory, which is of course pure nonsense. The fat Earth theory, on the other hand, now we're talking, because there is no doubt our planet is fat. Just look at it, big and round, spinning in the dark by itself, weighing in at around 6 sextillion tons. That's 6,000 billion tons. Just look at that number. I'm a big guy myself and I wonder about the Earth's weight status. Is it getting bigger or is it losing weight? Space is not empty. There's bits of rock, metal and ice of all sizes out there. As the Earth moves around the Sun, it is going to crash into a lot of stuff. You can see the evidence for this on any clear night. This is a meteor, a trail of light caused by a speck of space matter hitting the atmosphere at huge speeds. Most of the stuff that hits the Earth stays here, adding to the total weight. On a typical day, we're talking more than 100 tons, or about 40,000 tons a year. This sounds like a lot, and then you look at that 6 sextillion number. So, okay, the Earth doesn't need to go on a diet yet. Except it actually is. Because matter is also leaving our planet. Some atoms in our atmosphere move so fast that they break free from Earth's gravity and disappear into space. In a year, this adds up to about 100,000 tons of gas. So on average, the Earth is losing about 60,000 tons per year. And then there's this guy. You've seen his crazy cars and rockets, and his crazy cars on rockets. Now he's busy building the craziest rocket yet, the Starship. His plan? To mass produce starships and send them to Mars to build a city there. Every spacecraft that flies out into the solar system is lost mass for the Earth. When NASA lands a rover on Mars, more than a ton of mass has left the Earth forever. If Musk is successful, there will be thousands of starships going to Mars, each weighing over 100 tons. So basically, Elon Musk is going to put the Earth on his very special rocket diet. But that's the short term. I'm an astronomer and we always think big. 1 billion years is nothing to us. So what will happen to the Earth's weight long term? Our planet will continue to gather up space stuff for billions of years. But that will all be dwarfed by a coming disaster, the loss of water on the planet. Right now, the sun's brightness is perfect for life on Earth, but it is slowly getting brighter. This has nothing to do with man-made global warming. It is due to nuclear physics and has been going on for billions of years. In just 1 billion years, the Earth will be so hot that all water turns to steam. No more oceans or lakes, just a soupy atmosphere slowly leaking atoms into space. Until the Earth looks more or less like the Moon today. This weight loss is 1,000 times greater than everything that will ever fall from the sky. So good news everyone, weight loss is in our future. The bad news? Life on Earth has existed for 4 billion years, and in just 1 billion years it will be gone forever. This means that we're far closer to the end of life on Earth than the beginning. And suddenly, it is much easier to understand crazy Elon when he says he wants a city on Mars to save life on Earth. He's not talking about climate change or pollution today. He's thinking like an astronomer, long term. We can stay on Earth and be wiped out by some future natural disaster, or we can go to space and take Earth life with us.